Good morning, 10th class. Today we will deal with topic 10.6 spherical mirror and 10.7 also. So number first is about a spherical mirror. Our first question is what is a spherical mirror? So spherical mirror means a mirror whose reflecting surface are spherical, are called spherical mirrors. And this is different from plane mirror. Means in plane mirror reflecting surface is plane, but in spherical mirror reflecting surface is curved inwards or outwards. Then there are two types of spherical mirrors, concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror means when the reflecting surface is curved inward, and convex mirror means when the reflecting surface is curved outward. And now our next is about the diagram. So just look here, that there are two diagrams. This one is a concave mirror and this is for convex mirror. Just look here, this portion is shaded and this one is not shaded. So this portion, this black one, is a reflecting surface and this is polished one. So here the reflecting surface is curved inward, and here the reflecting surface is curved outward. It is projecting outward, and here this one is polished surface. So next here we have the related some more related terms. Just here have a look on the two diagrams. Here reflecting surface, polished surface, and here reflecting surface is outward and then polished surface. Our first point there is pole. Pole means the center of reflecting surface. Here this hole is reflecting surface and the center is here, so it is the center of reflecting surface in both cases. This is represented by capital P. Then next we have center of curvature. Center of curvature means this is a hole like a sphere. So center of a sphere is known as center of curvature. Here also sphere is going like this. So this one is center of curvature. And then radius of a sphere is represented by R. This radius of a sphere is known as radius of curvature. Here also the same, represented by capital R. Center of curvature in both cases are represented by capital C. Then number third is principal axis. Principal axis, an imaginary line. Okay, it's straight line passing C and P. This is known as principal axis. This is also known as principal axis, CP. And then aperture. Aperture means the diameter of reflecting surface of a spherical mirror. So this one is reflecting surface. This aperture, okay, the diameter is known as the aperture of the diameter is known as the aperture. Then next term we have principal focus of concave mirror. We have two different terms. One is principal focus of concave mirror, other one is for convex mirror. So just look here, it is a point on the principal axis. This the third line is known as focus, principal focus. So all the rays, it is a point on the principal axis at which all the rays parallel to principal axis after reflection meet. You are observing here all these parallel rays after reflection from a reflecting surface. They are meeting at this F. So this is known as principal focus, and the distance of this principal focus from pole, this FP, is known as focal length. It is represented by small f, and principal focus is represented by capital F. Then next we have principal focus of convex mirror. It is a point on the principal. It is also point on the principal axis, such that all these incident rays after reflecting, they are appear to diverge. The point of divergence is this F. So and this it is represented by capital F, and this distance is known as focal length and represented by small f. Okay, thank you.